Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Trivisa SGR-05. Now, this knife here is with the carbon fiber scales that is on both sides with a beautiful satin fish drop point blade that is 10CR15COMOV steel. That's a mouthful. It's a pretty good sized knife too. Overall, 7.99 inches, so it's about 8 inches. The blade itself is 3.48, so it's almost 3.5. The blade thickness is 0.11 inches. It's got a HRC of 59 to 61. And the closed handle length itself is 4.52 inches. And this is only 3.8 ounces. It's designed by Cheng, and it is a right side tip-up only with recessed screws into the handle, pocket clip, which is very comfortable. The whole handle itself is very neutral, but excellently contoured. And I'll tell you, as soon as I got this in my hand, you've got this great jimping right here that is perfect. I love that spear type of stiletto-ish drop point. The satin finish grind on this is beautiful. It is razor sharp and it is nice. They do put on here, as you can see, the 10CR 15 COMOV steel, and I don't know too much about it, but so far with handling this, it's been very impressive. It's got a very nice blue collar around that pivot there, and I love the carbon fiber that's on this. Very reminiscent of the fat carbon I've seen on my CJRB feldspar that I have, as well as the Tanto beg lighter of S35VN that I've come across and gotten. But what really got me with this one here is as soon as I got it in my hand, it is just so comfortable. It's got great ceramic ball bearing action. Now, these do also come in different variations that you can get on, at least I know from White Mountain Knives. They do have one that is a rosewood handle with a Damascus. And you can also get one that's got this epoxy resin brass type of greenish smooth with a black blade. And it's a black stone wash, but this one here again is the satin, and it is pretty sweet. Now, these go for $75.99 on White Mountain Knives, and with my discount of NCN, you get 10% off there. So if you want to choose to get it from there, that comes to $68.38, I believe. So there you go. It is. You do have the lanyard that is nice, lanyard option if you want to have that right back there. I'm not sure if this is carbon fiber or G10. I'm thinking it's carbon fiber though. And it feels good. I mean, it is smooth, but it's not slippery. But you've got such a great finger trail there. And the way that just locks up with your grip, it feels really nice. So I'll let you get a nice look at this here. Here's the spine of it. And it's pretty nice. And with only being 3.8 ounces, you can see that the liners are nice and milled. The whole thing is just tremendously comfortable, even in forward and reverse grip. Your middle finger would fit perfect right there in the indentation of that clip. And it really is just nice. It aids with, of course, doing a reverse clip if you want to do that, or reverse grip. And it's really just a beautiful knife. And I've spent much more on knives that this is definitely on par, if not better, than some others that I've come across. And my camera is picking this up with maybe a green tint, but To see it in normal light, it's more of like your standard gray, black, white kind of carbon, but maybe this is green. I don't know. Maybe I'm just catching the right light, but it's nice. It's a really nice knife. It's a beautiful blade, very useful, very comfortable, and it's a keeper. The jimping on this is perfect. You do have this option of using this as a slow roll. I don't know if you can really get away with maybe getting a fingernail underneath there. I'd give it an attempt. Nah, I can't do a reverse grip or reverse flip with that, but maybe you can. I don't know. It is really comfortable. It's very useful. It's beautiful, and very nicely priced. You do have that blue collar on both sides, and yeah, Trivisa. Nice job, Steve Cheng. This is a beauty. So there you go. That is the Trivisa SGR-05. The 01 would be the one with the wood handle in Damascus, and the 07 is the one with the epoxy brass and black blade. So there you go. It's a nice one, and definitely worth getting. And that's about it. Hope you liked the video. Please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and any comments that you want to give. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.